Did you know that your body might be holding onto more than just yesterday's dinner? Hidden within your digestive system could be waste and toxins that leave you feeling sluggish, bloated, and uncomfortable. But what if there were a simple, natural way to help your body reset, relieve discomfort, and restore balance? Stick around, because we're about to uncover a natural method that involves cleansing techniques designed to relieve constipation and support detoxification, offering a solution for both improved digestion and rejuvenation from the inside out. Detoxification Enemas. Detoxification enemas are enemas specifically designed to assist the body in eliminating toxins, waste, and impurities from the colon and potentially the liver and bloodstream. They are often used as part of holistic or alternative health practices to cleanse the digestive system and support overall wellness. Here's a breakdown of detoxification enemas. 1. Clay or charcoal enema. A clay or charcoal enema works by binding to toxins, heavy metals, and harmful substances in the colon, aiding their removal from the body. For example, a bentonite clay enema can be prepared by mixing a small amount of food-grade bentonite clay with warm water, creating a solution that absorbs and eliminates impurities, promoting detoxification and digestive health. 2. Coffee enemas. Coffee enemas support liver detoxification by stimulating the production of glutathione, a potent antioxidant, and enhancing bile flow to eliminate waste products. This method involves using organic, brewed coffee, not instant, cooled to a safe temperature, and administered with reusable enema kits. The Pure Life Enema Coffee Kit or Saw Wilson's Organic Coffee Enema Kit, making it a popular choice for detox enthusiasts and those seeking liver support. Research from a 2014 study suggests that coffee enemas are a safe and feasible method for bowel preparation before videocapsule endoscopy, with no reported negative side effects. 3. Probiotic enemas. Improved gut microbiome health can be achieved through enemas by clearing waste buildup and creating a more favorable environment for beneficial bacteria to thrive. For example, a probiotic enema, which involves introducing a solution containing live probiotics like Lactobacillus acidophilus, not only cleanses the colon but also directly replenishes the gut with healthy bacteria. This dual action can support digestive health, enhance immune function, and improve overall microbiome balance, especially after antibiotic treatments or during recovery from gut imbalances. 4. Herbal enemas. Herbal enemas, using ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera, are known for their ability to calm the gut by reducing inflammation and soothing the intestinal lining. Chamomile tea is particularly effective in alleviating inflammation, while aloe vera provides a soothing effect on the colon. These enemas are often recommended for gentle detoxification and to ease symptoms of an irritated gut. Research suggests they may benefit conditions such as diarrhea, predominant irritable bowel syndrome, IBSD, by reducing abdominal distension. Similarly, Ding's herbal enema, DHEP, a traditional Chinese medicinal therapy, has shown potential therapeutic effects for ulcerative colitis. To prepare, chamomile tea can be brewed, or pure aloe vera gel mixed with warm water before use. 5. Lemon juice enemas. Colon cleansing enemas, such as lemon juice enemas, help remove toxins, waste, and harmful bacteria from the colon, improving digestion, nutrient absorption, and reducing bloating. Lemon juice enemas, in particular, are valued for their acidic nature, which helps detoxify and stimulate bowel movements, making them suitable for light detox and occasional cleansing. To use, mix freshly squeezed lemon juice with lukewarm water, ensuring proper dilution to avoid irritation. Constipation enemas. Enemas provide quick relief by introducing liquid into the rectum, which softens hardened stools for easier passage while expanding the colon to stimulate peristalsis, intestinal contractions, promoting bowel evacuation. Unlike oral laxatives, enemas act swiftly, often delivering results within minutes to an hour, making them an effective solution for immediate relief from constipation. 1. Milk and molasses enema. A milk and molasses enema works by utilizing the sugar content to draw water into the intestines, softening stools, while the milk helps soothe irritation. It is particularly effective for severe constipation when other enemas prove ineffective. To prepare, mix equal parts of warm milk and molasses, and administer the solution while warm for optimal results. 2. Saline enema. A saline enema, such as the fleet enema, works by drawing water into the colon to soften stools and stimulate bowel movements. It is ideal for providing quick and effective relief from occasional constipation. Conveniently packaged in pre-filled, single-use bottles, it is easy to use and designed for immediate results. 3. Glycerin enema. This type of enema acts as a hyperosmotic agent, drawing water into the rectum to soften stool and facilitate bowel movements. It is particularly suitable for providing gentle relief for sensitive systems, including children. Conveniently pre-packaged, it ensures straightforward application. 4. Oil enema, olive or coconut oil. This enema works by lubricating the rectum, helping to soften hardened stools and making them easier to pass. It is especially effective for managing chronic constipation. To use, mix 2-3 tablespoons of oil with warm water and administer as directed for smooth and gentle relief. Important tips for safe and effective use. Hydrate well. Drink plenty of water before and after an enema to prevent dehydration. Frequency. Detox enemas. Use sparingly, once a week or less, to avoid disrupting natural gut flora. Constipation enemas. Limit use to occasional relief, not for chronic constipation management. Choose high-quality products. Always opt for organic and chemical-free solutions, especially for detox enemas. Consult a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. Conclusion. Enemas can be powerful tools for detoxifying the body and relieving constipation when used correctly. Detox enemas like coffee or herbal solutions support the liver and gut health, while saline and oil enemas offer immediate constipation relief. However, moderation and proper technique are essential to avoid potential risks. Thanks for watching. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.